Which fruits are best for overnight oats? Overnight oats are a quick and easy breakfast option that's not only delicious but also nutritious. One of the best things about overnight oats is that you can customize them to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. Adding fruits to your overnight oats not only enhances their flavor but also boosts their nutritional value. Let's take a look at some of the best fruits to add to your overnight oats. 1. Bananas. Bananas are a popular choice for overnight oats because of their natural sweetness and creamy texture. They're also rich in potassium, which is important for heart health and muscle function. Simply slice or mash a ripe banana and mix it into your oats for a sweet and satisfying breakfast. 2. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. They add a burst of color and flavor to your overnight oats while providing numerous health benefits. You can use fresh or frozen berries, depending on what's available, and simply stir them into your oats before refrigerating them overnight. 3. Apples. Apples are another excellent choice for overnight oats. They add a crisp texture and a touch of sweetness to your breakfast. Plus, apples are rich in fiber and vitamin C, which can help support a healthy immune system. Try chopping or grating an apple and mixing it into your oats along with some cinnamon for a comforting and nutritious meal. 4. Peaches. Peaches are juicy and flavorful fruits that can take your overnight oats to the next level. They're rich in vitamins A and C, as well as fiber and antioxidants. You can use fresh or canned peaches, depending on the season, and simply dice them up and mix them into your oats for a deliciously fruity breakfast. 5. Pineapple. Pineapple adds a tropical twist to your overnight oats with its sweet and tangy flavor. It's also rich in vitamin C and bromelain, an enzyme that may have anti-inflammatory properties. You can use fresh or canned pineapple tidbits and mix them into your oats for a refreshing and nutritious breakfast option. These are just a few examples of the many fruits you can add to your overnight oats. Feel free to get creative and experiment with different combinations to find your favorite flavor combinations. Whether you prefer tropical fruits like mango and kiwi or classic choices like peaches and strawberries, adding fruits to your overnight oats is a tasty and nutritious way to start your day off right. If you found the information beneficial, please subscribe to the channel for more tips on sustaining a healthy lifestyle.